Hello everyone, welcome to part 177 of Laravel 9 tutorial, in which we are creating the multi-vendor e-commerce website. So finally we have completed the vendor commission module, in which we have seen that how the vendor can pay commission to the admin. Okay, so now we are going to work on the contact us page. Okay, so we are going to make the contact us page in our Laravel multi-vendor e-commerce website. Okay, so we are going to merge this contact us page in our multi-vendor e-commerce website by taking it from our template. Okay, so we have the multi-vendor template in the beginning, so I'm going to search my template for the contact us page so that we can copy from there and can merge in our Laravel website. So I am going to take it from the downloads folder. I'm going to search here multi-vendor. Okay, so see, here it comes. So here I can see the contact.html. I'm going to first check out this page. So this is the page that we want to add in our multi-vendor e-commerce website, going to make it dynamic. Okay, so this is the form and this is the about us details in this contact form, in this contact page, and also the contact us information. Okay, so we can copy from this contact.html. I'm going to take this here. Okay, so I'm going to create the contact blade file in our Laravel, and then we'll copy from here. So before making the contact blade file, we need to create the route and then the function. Okay, so we are going to work on it straight away. So I'm going to first create the route for the contact us page, and here I'm going to create the route in the front middleware. Okay, in the front middleware, here I'm going to create the route outside the auth group in the front. Okay, so we are going to create both get and post route because we want to post the data as well. We will send the email as well. Okay, so once the user fill the query, we are going to send the email to the admin. We are going to create the get and post, both get as well as the post. And here I'm going to make the URL like the contact, and we're going to create it inside the CmsController, this contact function. Okay, I'm going to create here. Okay, so now we are going to create this contact function in CmsController. We are going to open the CmsController under front, not in admin. Okay, so here yeah, so here we are going to create function public function contact, like this, and here return view front pages contact. Okay, so we are going to create this contact blade file. So I'm going to create this blade file inside the pages. Here is my folder. Where is it? Ecom9 is my folder. Resources, views, front. Here is the pages, and in Mac we need to create the file like this. Folder touch contact.blade.php. In Windows, you know how to create the file inside the folder. Okay, so this file has been created. I'm going to take it here. So I'm going to copy the the front design from any of the page. I'm going to copy from here. In fact, I can copy the complete blade file. Okay, so no, this is not the page. I'm going to pick the another one, CMS page, this one. Okay, so I'm going to remove this one and going to copy this one, and we'll paste here. Then this one is not required. Okay, now see, now this time it is fine. So here we are going to make the contact. We can make it like this, contact us. Okay, so here our we are going to copy from the contact.html page that is located in our multi-vendor e-commerce template. So I am going to copy, I'm going to see I'm going to copy this structure. I'm not going to copy this one, I'm going to copy only this part. Okay, so for this part, first I'm going to search for the contact here. Okay, so this we have already done contact, and now this part we are going to copy. Okay, contact page, I'm going to copy this one, sorry. uh, so I'm going to paste it here. See, we are going to replace this card page with the contact page. Okay, so now it seems to be fine, and we are going to align it. Okay, so now it is fine. So we are going to check here. I'm going to open in our Laravel website contact, and see, we are going to see what is the route that we have made. Here we have created contact only, contact contact. Let's check whether there is any issue. Yeah, we have not closed this one, so that's why. Now I'm going to refresh, and still there is some issue. Okay, so here at last I have added, so need to remove. Now see, now it is fine, and you can see we able to see the contact us page in our Laravel website. Here is the form, and here is the normal details. Okay, so you can update your company details here. Okay, you can make some content for your company, and you can add, like I'm going to copy from my channel. Okay, so I'm going to copy from my channel and will paste some content here. Also going to update these things. Okay, here I'm going to copy. You can always subscribe this tech developer YouTube channel to get the updates, Laravel updates, and you can always join the channel to get the code. Here I'm going to see for about link. Here it is. Okay, so I'm going to add here, going to copy this complete content and going to paste here, so that we want to check the real content if we are going to copy, and then how it will look like. Okay, so I'm going to paste it inside. So see, you need to start this p tag for everywhere where you want to start the new paragraph. Okay, so you can do it like this, like I am doing right now. You can just paste the content inside this. Okay, like this. Okay, so see here, if you want to add this, then you are required to add the breaks as well. Sorry. So I will add the breaks here, so that the it will look fine. Okay, so rest of the content I am going to remove, that is not required. Now we are going to see how it will look. Okay, you can see the content is looking like this. Okay, so you can always make it like, you can see it like this. Okay, so it seems to be fine, and okay, so now see contact us details. Also you can update of your own if you want to update the contact us details. Here you can give the location and other things. Okay, like we are going to give here any location. I'm going to give like these tag developers. India. Okay, I'm going to give the location like this. Okay, and email and everything is like this. Okay, so and now we are going to update the form as well. And for submitting the form, see, the user is going to fill this form, and when he will click on send message, the query will go to the admin. Okay, via email. So email will be sent to the admin with the user query. Okay, so we are going to do that right now. So I am going to add the form here, and we are going to create the action for the form and method as post. Simply we will create the action for the form. We are going to create the route for the form, for this contact form URL. Here we are going to create it like this: page contact method post. Okay, so here name is, we are going to add names for all. We can make the type as email. Okay, so our form is ready, and now we are going to modify our contact function. We are we want to get the data in our contact function. So for getting the data from the post method, we are required to add a request $request. Okay, so here we are going to add if $request is method post. Here we are going to get the data. First of all, we are going to check that whether the data is coming here or not in our function. So I'm going to fill up the form here, like I'm going to fill here some of the details, and we'll click on send message. But it is not taking us anywhere. It means that we have not added this route. We need to check, yes, we have not added this route. We are directly added the contact. So either we need to do it like this, or if we want to make this route as contact only, then we need to modify our action here. Okay, I think the issue with the action. So what we are going to do, I am going to add there the page. Maybe I'm going to check for the another CMS pages, that what we have given for other CMS pages. I'm going back and we look out for this about us page. See, we have given directly, okay, direct link we have given about us page. It is opening directly slash about us, so we will not give anything like page. Okay, so what we can give, we can simply make it route without page. So we can remove this one and we'll make it like this: contact. Now I'm going to check once again, and see here, I'm going to fill up this form once again here: amit at the rate of uofmail.com, or I can make it like amit100 at the rate of uofmail.com. Subject is test, message is testing. I'm going to click on send message, but it will not go because this is not the form. Here this is the form, exact form. Okay, but I need to refresh because the action we have changed now. Okay, so with the changed action, I need to fill the data again. So now I'm going to click the send message, and here we are getting the results. Okay, we are getting name, email, subject, and message. So now we are ready to send the email. So we are getting the data here. So now we are going to send user query to admin, whatever user want to uh, user want to get some information from the admin. So the user query we are going to send to the admin so that the admin can able to answer the user query. Okay, so here the email, like let's suppose the admin email, we talk here about the admin email. I'm going to send the email to the admin. Okay, so admin email we are going to add here, like I will add something like admin 1000 at the rate of yourmail.com. Suppose he is the admin, you are just required to put the admin email here. Okay, after putting the admin email, we are going to get all the information in message data array. We will take one array like message data and will add all the information inside this, like name, dollar data name, like this. We are will get email as well, and we will get the subject as well. Then we will get the that comment as well, message as well. Okay, so here we are going to take it like the comment. Okay, comment, I'm going to take it like comment, and here the message. Okay, so here I am ready to send the email now, and mail script I'm going to write here, mail send, and I'm going to create the blade file for the email, and that is the inquiry blade file I'm going to create inside the emails folder. Okay, emails folder directly provided by the Laravel, in which we have added all the emails so far, and this message data array we are going to send to the email. Okay, so this is the email function we are writing, and here I'm going to add the message, and we are going to use this dollar email to send the email. Okay, admin email, in fact we are going to use admin email. Okay, and here we are going to write sorry, this one single come. Okay, so here we are going to close it like this. So here we're going to send like dollar message. First is the two, we are going to send to the dollar email. What I can do, I can simply use as email. Okay, instead of admin email, I'm going to use it as email. Dollar, now dollar email, then subject is we are going to inquiry from whatever the website name is. Okay, okay, so like inquiry from stack developers. Okay, stack developers website, anything, any like company name. Okay, and okay, so that is fine. After that we will redirect back the user to the same page with the success message. So the message that we are going to add here, we are going to add this message: thanks for your query, we will get back to you soon. Okay, so here return redirect back with success message with this message. Okay, so now we are going to try. Okay, first we need to create the email as well. Okay, that we forgot to create. Return views email. Here we need to create the new email. So I can simply copy from any of the email file, save as, and make it like inquiry.blade.php, query enquiry.blade.php. Okay, so here we are going to create the email, like here we are sending to the admin. Okay, we will write like dear admin. Okay, user inquiry from e-commerce website. We will write user query from, or inquiry one and the same thing, from stack developers. Okay, or simply user inquiry from stack developers. Details are as below. Details are as below. Fine. Then first one is name, mobile, email. Name, mobile, email. No, mobile is not there. Name, email. Here the message, name, email, subject and message. Okay. Okay, we can do one more copy here. Name, email, subject, and finally message. I think it's comment. Okay, so, and thanks and regards stack developers. So now it seems to be fine, and don't forget to add the mail function, mail class at the top, like we have added in the other controller as well, like we have added in the product controller as well, in the located in the front. So mail. Okay, CmsController, and here we are going to add this one at the top. Fine. So now we can try, and also we need to put here the success message. Once the email send, we will redirect back the user with the success message. So here the success code we are going to we can add from the detail blade file, and here we are going to copy this one and we'll paste it somewhere, like after get in touch with us. Here we can paste it. Okay, so let's try now, and see, email will go to here .env, here mail try. Okay, so email will go here. So I'm going to open the email as well. So I will go back and will try with the new entry. I will refresh it as well. Okay, and we'll log in to the mail server where we are getting all the emails. And okay, so I'm going to use the Google account. I think stack developers account I'm using for all the emails. Okay, so here I'm going to inbox. Okay, so now I'm going to try with the new entry here with 100 mail test and testing. See, send message. So okay, so see, the debugging mode we have not closed so far, so we need to close. We need to comment this one and we'll try again. Continue, and let's see. It will take few seconds to send the email to the admin from the user. So it has been gone, and we can see the thanks for the query, we will get back to you soon. See, the message is also coming here, like the query is gone. So we need to check whether the new query has come. Yes, it has come a few seconds ago. Inquiry from stack developers website. Dear admin, user inquiry from stack developers. Details are as below. Name Amit Gupta, email amit100@yopmail.com. Subject is test and message is testing. So the email has finally come to the admin. Okay, from the website, when the user fills the contact us form. Okay, so we able to we able to create this contact us form with the email as well. We able to create the simple form, and we able to send the email to the admin as well from the user. Okay, So you just require to update this email to the admin email to your client email, okay? And this small email is ready with the contact us form that you can simply use. Okay, then that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.